In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Capital One Venture Rewards. So let's get straight into the video. So you can actually earn miles, redeem for what you want, and travel your way with Capital One Venture Rewards. So first, if you want to understand what Venture Rewards is, you can earn up to 2x miles on every purchase every day. You can redeem miles for travel purchases, and you can also transfer miles to 15 plus travels and no blackout dates on travel booked. So in order to go ahead and do it, what you can do is firstly, you can simply go ahead and check your miles balance on the Venture card. You can earn miles every single day on every purchase, by the way. And you can also redeem with the purchase eraser. You can go to purchase eraser, select a travel purchase like airfare, hotel, car, etc. and redeem your mile at the rate of 1 cent per mile. Then you can simply go ahead and book your travel with miles. So whether it be flight, hotel, rental cars, or vacation rentals. And you can also transfer miles to your travel partners and redeem for rewards like gift cards, shop with miles, cashback, and experiences. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further